Hey everyone, Brandon from the A-Team. Here's a brief overview of the Aputure Lantern 90, a 3-foot in diameter omni-directional soft light modifier. If you've seen the original Aputure Lantern, you'll recognize this as a larger 90 centimeter or 3-foot wide version of the same modifier, hence the name Lantern 90. This puts it at the same diameter as our Light Dome 2 parabolic softbox modifier. By popular demand, we are adding this option for increased size and surface area, allowing it to produce softer light as well as be more suited for higher powered LED sources like the LS600D Pro. Like the original Lantern, the Lantern 90 is one of the only omnidirectional softboxes on the market that also includes a fully adjustable skirt to control the light spill. This hook and loop skirt can be fixed or rolled up into a variety of positions to control the Lantern 90's wide 270-degree beam angle. And by using the same design as the original Lantern, the Lantern 90 is still one of the fastest soft-light modifiers to set up, making it perfectly suited for fast-paced run-and-gun shoots, whether you need a quick softbox or to instantly fill a larger space. And we know that gelling lanterns can be difficult. We recommend gelling the entire exterior of the lantern, or if used inside, to give the COB LED as much room to breathe as possible. Putting gels too close to the COB can quickly result in damage to the LED or lens protector, so you use them at your own risk. We do recommend that if you put any gels close to the LED, to also use a layer of heat shield in between, and potentially even cut slits for air ventilation. And that's a quick introduction to the Lantern 90, a super quick soft light accessory.